let me take you through this big news coming in from Chikbalapura. We know the flying squad teams there seizes at least 4.8 crores in cash from BJP candidate Sudhakar. Dr. Sudhakar, who recently joined the BJP, he lost the Chikbalapur Assembly elections on a BJP ticket. He is now hoping to win this Lok Sabha seat of Chikbalapur. Well, it appears now he's run into trouble as the flying squad teams who were at Chikbalapur seized cash worth 4.8 crores. An FIR has now been lodged by the SST team of Chikbalapura constituency against Dr. Sudhakar, who's the BJP candidate at the police station in Madanayakanahalli. It's of course I'm not too sure if it comes as a setback politically, but certainly a black spot at this point, even before results are announced. Sagai joining us for more on that. Sagai, it's a matter of embarrassment undoubtedly for the BJP as Dr. Sudhakar, who's known to be one of their strongest candidates or a strong face, a big face for the Bharatiya Janata Party. He's now facing an FIR alleging that he has kept nearly 4.8 crore rupees in cash, and it could be to motivate and manipulate voters in Chikbalapur constituency.
Absolutely, and in fact, the Election Commission of India has tweeted about this, stating that they have registered an FIR under various sections, including 123 of RP Act and 171 BCEF of the IPS Act. And the Election Commission has categorically mentioned that it belongs to candidate Dr. Sudhakar, because we have seen other updates, and on Election Commission they have never ever mentioned that the names of any of the candidates. But when it comes to this particular seizure which has happened in Chikbalapur, they have mentioned that they have seized money close to 4.8 crores belonging to BJP candidate Sudhakar. Remember, in the assembly election, Sudhakar had lost against Pradeep Ishwar. It was a matter of prestige for him, and he was seen one of the front runner to win this particular election. As you pointed out, that this will be a major setback for the BJP in Chikbalapur, where the Election Commission of India has tweeted about this and stated that they have seized so much of money belong to a BJP candidate.